Install software. Before install the DMM software, please install iLib Suite driver first. You can see the running I/O software in the lower right corner of the screen. Double-click to open I/O software. You can see the connected DMM info displayed under My Instrument USB. Click Interactive I/O. Send an instruction arbitrarily. PC and oscilloscope will communicate. Double-click HDM3000 to install the software. Connect the DMM to PC via USB cable. Click HDM icon on PC to run DMM software. When connected successfully, the remote will appear on the right up corner on the DMM screen. When press the DCV, ACV, on to W, frequency, continuity, temperature keys, both DMM software and the connected multimeter will switch to corresponding measurement function. When press the Shift plus DCV keys, both DMM software and the connected multimeter will switch to this EI measurement interface, Shift plus ACV keys to ACI, and so on. When press Run, Stop key, both DMM software and the connected multimeter stop measurement, and the same as single key function. Now function supports remote control as well. Display, acquire, arrow keys are not valid. In remote mode, you cannot operate the multimeter by pressing the front keys anymore. You can press Shift key to exit the remote mode.